Also developing, the man accused of shooting and killing a Daytona Beach police officer was back in a Volusia County court. Othal Wallace is accused of killing Officer Jason Rayner back in June of 2021. His trial is supposed to start September 5th. In the courtroom today, several motions were filed by his defense team that have to be heard before anything can happen. News 6's Molly Reed was there and breaks down the new developments.
There's a long list of motions that we heard today, and the judge will have to rule on before that trial gets started in a little over a month. Othal Wallace's team filing most of them about what evidence should be included in the trial.
Was Officer Jason Rayner assigned to you as one of your officers that you supervised?
He was.
Several current and former Daytona Beach police officers testifying today about what happened on June 23rd, 2021. The defense wants to prevent the future trial jury from hearing that Officer Jason Rayner was looking for a stolen vehicle when he approached Othal Wallace that night on Kingston Avenue.
It would allow the state to essentially, by inference, assume that Officer Rayner's contact with Othal Wallace was justified.
Witnesses testifying that Rayner was looking for a stolen gray Honda SUV last seen in that area. Police say Rayner then spotted a gray Honda SUV pulling behind an apartment and walked up to the car to question the driver, Othal Wallace.
You sit down, I'll talk to you.
Stop. Come on now.
A body camera from that night shows Rayner asking Wallace to sit down for a question. Seconds later, they say Wallace shot Rayner in the head. Investigators say Wallace took off. He was caught days later in Georgia. They now say the stolen SUV and the one driven by Wallace did not end up matching.
Defense can argue that none of this, that Officer Rayner didn't actually see it. He didn't know what it was. He didn't act on that. But that is evidence to be going in front of a jury.
The defense recently won a motion to move the trial out of Volusia County to Clay County, hoping for a more impartial jury. They argue Rayner acted unlawfully in approaching Wallace. But the state also says the stolen vehicle investigation was in addition to several shootings recently in that location that Rayner was patrolling.
Did you, ask your shift guys to flood the area or to check the area out carefully to try and avoid that kind of thing happening again?
Absolutely. It was one of our hot spots.
The judge today not making a ruling on many of the motions. Instead, he wants to go back over the evidence and then make a written ruling in the near future. He did the same about the defense team challenging the death penalty. In the meantime, Othal Wallace will be back here in court next Friday. In Daytona Beach, Volusia County, I'm Molly Reed getting results, News 6.